The aphids covering these cowpeas are disgusting, but one of the things I think is really interesting is that they look like they are always sitting there, right? You look at your plants, the aphids are just always there. They never move. What's kind of fun is by this afternoon, there will probably be nothing on this. So I'm just gonna let them sit here. And then those aphids are just going to dissipate. I just think it's kind of fun to see. Now you see them, now you don't. Well, there's still some there, but it looks like I might have smashed some in the removal process because these certainly don't look like they're alive. So there's a lot going on here. But I don't want these to toast anymore, so I will bring them inside, rinse them off. There's still a significant amount less. Look at this one. It was entirely covered before. Yeah, they all just decided to go move on somewhere else. Hopefully not back in the garden. Let's go. I'm gonna eat you, little pea.